In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Vimeo video on a Wix website, and we'll go through the full process from copying your Vimeo link to publishing the finished page so you can make sure your video displays properly on your live site. To begin, go to Vimeo and log into your account. Open the video you want to place on your Wix website, then copy the video's URL from the address bar. This link is what Wix will use to pull in the correct video, so make sure you copy the full page URL for the exact video you want to embed. Once you have that ready, head over to Wix and log into your account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit, then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll add and manage the video on your page. Inside the editor, go to the left side menu and click Add Elements, which is marked with a plus icon. From there, choose Video and Music, then select Single Video Players. You'll now see video player options that can be added directly to your page. Drag one of those video players onto the section of the page where you want your Vimeo video to appear. After placing the player, click on it to open its settings. Choose Change Video, then select Vimeo as the video source. Paste the Vimeo video URL you copied earlier and click Update. At this point, Wix should connect the player to your Vimeo video and display it inside the editor. Next, take a moment to customize the player so it fits your page nicely. You can adjust the size and move it into the best position for your layout. If playback settings are available, review those as well so the video behaves the way you want. This is also a good time to preview the page and confirm that the video loads correctly. Previewing helps you catch layout issues or loading problems before your site goes live. Once everything looks right, click Publish to push the changes to your live website. After publishing, open your live site and check the page one more time to verify that the Vimeo video is working properly. It's always worth testing the final result on the published version since that's what your visitors will actually see. And that's it. That's how to embed a Vimeo video on a Wix website quickly and cleanly.